Scrap wood furniture and decor pieces add beauty to your home due to their natural, timeless appeal and warmth, versatility. They provide a sense of sophistication and elegance while creating cozy and inviting atmosphere. Wood's unique texture, grains, and color enhance the aesthetic appeal of any space. Additionally, the durability and the longevity of wooden furniture make it worthwhile investment as it can be passed down through generations. Welcome back again. Good morning and thanks for being here. We are back again with another amazing video. This video helps you to reduce your waste and we are going to tell you how to reduce your carbon footprint and how impactful it's for the environmental effect. So let's get started. The scrap wood furniture and decor pieces are cherished on their ability to add beauty and character to your home. The organic nature of wood brings a sense of warmth and the tranquility to any space, creating an inviting atmosphere that is both visually appealing and comfortable. One of the key reasons why wood pieces are highly valued in their timeless appeal. Wood has been used in furniture and decor for centuries, and its popularity has endured through different design trends, whether your home boasts a contemporary or the traditional style. Wood effortlessly complements various aesthetics, making it a versatile choice. The natural textures, grains, and colors of wood contribute to its visual charm. Each piece of wood furniture has unique pattern, providing a touch of individuality to your home. From the smoothness of maple to the rich tone of mahogany or the rustic beauty of reclaimed wood, there is a wide range of options to suit your personal taste and style preferences. Furthermore, wood furniture is known for its durability and the longevity. In our today's video, we are going to show you some creative woodworking projects that you can sell online and you can earn money. Are you a woodworking enthusiast looking to turn your passion into a profitable business? With the rise of online marketplaces, selling your woodworking projects online has never been easier. Here are some creative woodworking projects that you can make and sell online to earn money while showcasing your woodworking skill. Custom furniture is always in demand and people are willing to pay a premium for unique handmade pieces that are crafted with care. You can create custom furniture pieces such as dining table, coffee table, bookshelves, and the nightstands. Use high quality wood, incorporate interesting design and the finishes, and offer customization option to attract customer looking for one of a kind furniture for their homes. Home decor item made from wood can add warmth and charm to any living space. You can create a wide range of home decor items such as wall art, wall sign, picture frames, candle holders, and plant stands. Experiment with different shapes, sizes, and the finishes to cater to various interior design styles and the market them as unique and handcraft pieces that will elevate the aesthetic of any home. Wooden toys have a timeless appeal and rare by children and the parents alike. You can create a wooden toys such as building block, puzzles, cars, trains, and the doll houses. Use child-safe material, ensure smooth edges and the finishes, and focus on durability to create toys that are not only beautiful but also safe and enjoyable for the kids. Offer customization options such as an engraving name or adding personal touches to make them extra special. Kitchen and the serving utensils made from wood are not only functional but also aesthetically appealing. You can create wooden cutting board, serving trays, spoon, spatulas, or who value sustainability and the craftsmanship. Invest in high quality product photography to showcase your beauty and the craftsmanship. Write detailed and accurate product descriptions. Promote on the social media. Provide excellent customer service by responding promptly to the unique processing order in timely manner and delivering a product in a good condition. Encourage customer review and the testimonial to build a strong relationship with your customer. Hello ladies and gentlemen, thanks for money by investing your precious time in this wooden art technique. Wooden art and the project have been popular from centuries and they continue to be valuable source of income for people looking to earn money online. Whether you are a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, there are plenty of opportunities to sell your creations and in the interest and earn some extra cash for your kitchen. In this article, we will explore some of the best wooden art and the project ideas that you can sell online, as well as some tips for marketing your creation and building successful online business. First of all, we will go through what you can make with wooden art frame. You can make a cutting board, jewelry boxes, sign, wooden toys and furniture. Cutting boards are a practical and attractive addition to any kitchen. They can be made from a variety of different types of wood and can be personalized with engraving and the other decorative touches. Cutting boards are relatively easy to make and they can be sold for a good profit online. Wooden signs are popular decoration for home and the business, and they can be customized with different sign and the sayings. They can be made from a variety of different type of wood and they can be sold at a range of different prices point depend upon their sizes and the complexities in a style. Wood picture frame is another beautiful product that you can sell online. Wooden picture frame are a timeless classic that never goes out of style. They can be made in a variety of different sizes and the styles, and they can be personalized with different type of wood and the finishes. Picture frames are relatively easy to make and they can be sold for a good profit online. Wooden jewelry boxes are a beautiful and the functional gift that can be customized with different type of wood and the finishes. They can be made in a variety of different sizes and the styles, and they can be sold for a good profit online. Wooden toys are a classic that never goes out of style. They can be made in a variety of different style and the sizes. They can be sold for a good profit online. Wooden toys are a great option for parents looking for a natural and the rustic and eco-friendly toys for their kids and the children's. Wooden furniture is a bigger and more complex project, but it can be a great way to earn a higher profit income. Furniture can be made in a variety of different styles and the finishes, and it can be customized to fit different space and the preferences. Creating a website is a great and showcase your woodwork and sell your creation online. You can use website builder like Wix and the other professional looking website, and you can hire web developers and showcase your creativity. Is a great way to showcase your work and connect with the potential customer. You can develop or create a custom site for your online woodworking and wood art store. Attending craft can sell your creation directly at the fair, and you can use the opportunity to collect leads and build a relationship with the potential customer. By offering customization is a great way to attract customer and differentiate your product from competitors. You can offer personalized engraving, different type of wood or finishes, or other customization option depending upon your product. Collaboration with other artists is a great way to expand your reach and attract a new customer. You can work with other artists to create a unique product, or you can collaborate on a marketing effort to reach your potential audience. In conclusion, wooden art and project can be a great way to earn extra income online while pursuing creative passion. With the wide variety of products to choose from and many ways to market and sell them, there is plenty of opportunities to success in this field.